So friends, you can see here this IP thread risk score is 0. So this is better IP for your work, and we always provide our customer a better service. Hello friends, I hope you understood what is the topic of our today's video. Today I will show you how to set up ABC Proxy on your Windows, and also I will show you how is the quality of ABC Proxy. So friends, before starting our video, I will show you our Telegram channel where you can get all kinds of banking solution, proxy solution, SSN solution, and other various kind of solution you will get from our Telegram channel. I will put my WhatsApp and Telegram number on description box. You can contact with me for any kind of solution, any kind of help. I I will contribute my 100% that you can get your solution properly. Not only solution, if you have any kind of question, you can contact with me. I will try to help you. So friends, we should return our today's topic. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, I will open my Chrome browser and search for ABC Proxy download. Then I will click on this link for download. Here I will click on Windows version. It will take a few minutes for downloading. After complete the download, you have to open the apps and install it. Today I make this video for those people who wants to know how to set up ABC Proxy and the quality of ABC Proxy, which we provide our lots of customers at 50% discount from other websites. So now we'll open our ABC Proxy. If you want ABC Proxy from me, I can provide you at 50% discount. You will find my WhatsApp and Telegram number on description box. Now here we have to sign in. Now I will show you how to take a US IP. Here I have to select US country, then a state, then a city. Now I will search for a IP. Here you can see lots of IPs with the name of their companies. Now you have to select an IP and forward to port forward list. Then from port forward list you have to copy this and now you will go to Go Login Proxy and create a profile. You can see I've already created a profile. Then I will run it. So friends, now I'll show you the quality of our proxy that we provide to our customer. Here we open where.net. You can see here our proxy shows 100% and there is a IP of United States. Here you can see also the time zone that is perfect. All is perfect. I will show other three sites also where I can check my IP quality. Now I will open some sites where I can check the quality of IP that we provide our customers. Here is my first site. You can check here the quality score of the IP. Here you can see proxy status false, VPN false. If they are shown true, that will be not good IP. But you can see everything is green. So the IP is clear. You can use this IP properly. Now I will check this IP from one more site. Here the site is opened. I am pasting the IP address here and search. Here the fraud score is only 5. So this is very low risky and this IP was very good. So 100% you can use this IP. So friends, this is not finished. I will try again from another site. Here I will check again that how is my IP. Can I use this or not? Here is our IP address. So friends, you can see here this IP threat risk score is 0. So this is better IP for your work and we always provide our customer a better service. In the world of proxy, ABC Proxy is one of the best proxy. You can use it. So friends, we have come at the end of our video. If you need any proxy service, you can contact with us. You can find my contact, WhatsApp and Telegram number on the description box. We have Pia Proxy, Nine Proxy, ABC Proxy, all kind of proxy service I can give you. I can give you the proxy at 50% discount. So friends, thank you for watching our video. And if you need any kind of help or information, you can contact with us.